Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Fiat Doblo short wheelbase van, stock reference number 3803. The shape runs from the 12th month 2014 and is the current shape. It has a 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual front wheel drive transmission. 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left hand side and the left hand front, with the bonnet which appears to have no damage, radiated grille, left power door mirror, colour coded. This vehicle is fitted with factory 15-inch steel rims. The left rear has a good tyre, left tail light, it's got a tidy rear park sensor type bumper bar, left hand tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate has one small dent right up the top. Right tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right sliding door appears to have no damage, right front door also appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, and the right hand guard has 3 small push dents, and the right hand front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and red cloth interior. It's got a black centre console, manual type, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, factory single stack CD player, left sun visor, courtesy light, interior mirror, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke steering wheel with cruise and audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.